are on to stamp number 14. So I am going to grab flower 14 and a light teal color. I am going to come to the layers panel and add a new layer for my flower. And I'm just going to stamp it right down. Now I am going to add another new layer above that. I am going to grab my monoline brush and a light yellow. And now I am just going to kind of mimic the curves of the top petals and draw, and then drag and drop to fill that. And it's hanging over, so we need to tap our layer and hit clipping mask so that it confines itself to just the flower. And now I'm gonna adjust it now that I can see how it looks and just make that petal a little bigger. So we were gonna do that one more time. I'm gonna add another layer, and let's go ahead and apply the clipping mask this time. So tap it and apply clipping mask. Grab a dark pink color, and then one more time, repeat that shape. Adjust it if needed. And on that one, I am going to grab a light peachy color and just draw in a few little ovals. And I'm gonna do the same thing back down on my yellow color with a darker yellow. Might go even a little darker. That's a little hard to see. So you can either just color it in, or you could draw your oval and fill it. Oop. Okay, if it overfills like that, just drag it to there and then move with your pencil down, and it'll adjust your color drop threshold so we can make it fill just our oval. And if you hold your pencil down, when you finish creating the oval, you can create a perfect oval, just like you can with the line. That's a little too big. I'm gonna adjust that. So 2-finger tap to undo, just make it a little smaller there. Now I am going to grab a heart stamp. I am going to use, let's see, I'll decide when I get there. I'm gonna use heart number 3, I think. And I'm gonna grab a darker teal color. I'm gonna go back down to the main flower layer, and again, add a layer above it. Then I'm just gonna stamp that heart right down, and I will adjust it using the arrow tool here. And then I am going to duplicate that, swipe left and duplicate, and whoop. I think my bracelet hit so to add the other heart, swipe left, duplicate, and then I'm just gonna adjust it to go that angle, a little bit more. And if you want, you could do it even darker teal color, make it pop a little bit more. So now we just need to add our stem and our little details. So we are going to add a new layer above our floral and then drag it below. And I am going to go back to my monoline brush and a dark teal color. And for this one, I'm just gonna draw a circle. Again, if you hold your pencil down, it'll create a perfect oval, but if you also tap your finger down, it creates a perfect circle. So I will fill that, and then I'm gonna use my arrow tool to just slide it into place and shrink it down a little bit. And then draw a stem off that. Whoop. And now I'm gonna do the same up here. I'm gonna add some little stamen and just a few little lines off each. It can be really imperfect and artsy. And then I'm going to make my monoline brush a little bigger and grab a dark pink color and just top off each of those. And then you have today's flower. So now you can merge all your layers together by pinching them, and your flower is now all on one layer.